Today in this video I will show you how to set VS Code to run as administrator by default. You will need to set to VS Code to run as administrator if you run script or terminal commands inside VS Code, and if those commands need administrator privileges, you need to start VS Code as administrator. You can do this manually by right clicking the launch icon and selecting run as administrator, but it is not very convenient to do every time. We will set it to run as administrator by default. To do that, right click the VS Code launch icon and select open file location. Then right click the shortcut and choose properties. In the properties, go to compatibility and activate this run this program as administrator, and then click OK. From now on, VS Code should run as administrator by default.